Hello guys, today I'm back and I'm here with a new chapter which is the thief story. So first of all, let us study about the author. Author of this story is Ruskin Bond. He was an Indian author, but he descended on his descendants are as a British. He lives with his adopted family in Landour, Mussoorie in India. The Indian for Child Education is recognized his role in growth of children's literature in India. And he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for his book Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. Uh, he wrote a book which was Our Trees Still Grow in Dehradun and all. Yeah, he was talking about some place in English. And he also got Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. The Thief Story. So let's start with our topic. The story is about two different people. There are two different people. One is a thief who is 15 years age, whose age is 15 years, and other is a man approximately 25 years, watching a wrestling match somewhere. There was a wrestling match somewhere. The name of the person watching the match is Anil, and the thief approached Anil and start talking to him because he feels that he had not robbed anyone in past few days and thought that it would be easy to rob a simple person like Anil. So, while watching a match, there was a person named Anil. So, he met a person. No. There was a person who was watching a match whose name was Anil. So, okay, so this man's name was Anil. Let me highlight it again. This man's name was Anil. The person watching name was Anil, and the thief approached Anil and started. There was a thief. There was a person who is again a thief. Okay, so he approached. So approach matlab we can say like talk first time. Matlab we we usually talk to some person first time like पहली बार कभी मिलते हैं like in a particular office is like अभी office मतलब we when we are going for applying for a job we met to a new person in the uh, office and all, so we approach them, we first time talk to them and start, so we'll underline some words which we found hard, मतलब hard में which we should remember when we are speaking. Approach and start talking to him because he feels. So there was a thief, so he started talking to Anil. Anil was a good person, a earning person. So what he thought is that he wanted to rob someone and thief that क्योंकि उसने he has not robbed anyone from past few days and thought that it would be easy to rob a simple person like Anil. He thought that if Anil was a simple person, it would be easy to rob him. They both start talking. So they both started talking. Anil asked the thief his name. Anil, a good person, an earning person, asked the thief his name. The thief introduced himself as a Harrison. So the thief said that my name is Harrison, but it's not his real name. This is not his real name as he changes his name every month to escape his ex-employer and police. मतलब police से भागने के लिए he used to change his name. Uh, then they started talking about the wrestlers. There was a wrestling match going on, so they started talking about wrestlers, and Anil was leaving when and Anil was leaving when Hari called him again and asked him if he could work for Anil. So Anil was leaving, and suddenly there was some back noise came like, uh, "Hey, could you work for? Can I work for you?" Like Hari Singh said this. So Anil said, uh, "But you can work for me, but I can't pay for you." So he said he won't able to pay him, but he could feed him if he know how to cook. तो वो उसे खाना खिला सकता है अगर इफ ही नो हाउ टू कुक मतलब हरी सिंह को खाना बनाना आता है तो हरी लाइक दैट ही नो सो हरी सिंह as usual he lied that he knew to how to cook. Anil took Hari to his room, which was about a sweet, which was a Bo's sweet shop. So Anil's house was on a uh, अनिल का घर किसके ऊपर था स्वीट शॉप के ऊपर था this you should remember. Hari cooked a meal which was really bad. So once Hari cooked a meal which was really bad because Anil did not eat. Anil hadn't eaten. And Anil and Hari to leave. Anil asked Hari to leave, but he tried to please Anil. So Tabi Anil said that I'm sorry, I can't. You don't know how to cook, so I can't help you feed. So then Hari, what he said that please let me uh, leave here. I'll try to cook good one and all. So then uh, Anil agreed, and Hari said, smile on his most attractive way, appealing way. Okay, so smile on his most attractive way. So either we can use another word. इसकी जगह पे use like appealing word. Appeal, okay. मतलब बहुत ही एकदम अच्छे वाले स्माइल and Anil couldn't stop laughing looking at him. So Anil laughed at Hari. Anil agreed to teach Hari how to cook. So Anil agreed and teach Hari how to cook food. Write full sentence. So Anil teach how to cook food, write full sentence and about numbers. Hari was grateful that he knew that there would be no limit to drawing people once he learned how to read and write. So what Hari thought that if I could learn how to read and write, then it would be very easy for me. There would be no limit of drawing people when he learn. So जैसे he used मतलब उससे जैसे जैसे पढ़ना है it would be more planning and all to rob people. He thought like that. So that's what he want to study more. I mean learn more. The narrator used to uh, like working for Anil as he used to make him tea in the morning and then go out to buy the groceries for the day. So narrators जो थे narrator कौन था हरी सिंह he was a narrator. So what he do he used to make tea for Anil in morning and then he go out to buy groceries. So then he go out to buy groceries for the day. He also used to steal 1 rupee from the money that was given to him, but the grocery to buy groceries. So what he used to steal 1 rupee from the money that was given to him to buy the groceries. Anil knew that he used to steal, but he didn't mind. Anil knew it. Anil knew this, but he didn't mind. Anil used to make money by irregular work. So Anil was doing irregular work, but at least he was doing work. Sometimes he used to borrow money and the other day, and when he had money, he would be lending on other people. And whenever he used to get money, he would go out with friends to celebrate. So he didn't have any savings or all. He sometimes when he don't have money, he used to borrow money. Then when he had money, then he used to lend money. मैंने मतलब जब हम लेते हैं तभी जो बाकी रह जाते पेमेंट दैट वी यूज्ड टू लैंड and whenever he used to get money he would go out जब भी उसके पास इक्वली रहता था कि no lending and no borrowing was there so what he used to do is like he used to celebrate with his friends one day Anil came with a bundle of notes so one day Anil एक bundles of notes के साथ घर पे आए and he told her that he had sold a book to publish. मतलब एक book he wrote a book in so he published that to publisher so he get bundles of books. At night he kept the money safely under the mattress. So where does he kept the money under the mattress of his bed? So mattress of his bed, of his bed. Hari realized that he had been working for Anil for more than a month and he had not stolen any parts from the one rupee that he kept every day for himself. So what is Hari समझो कि मैंने एक महीने से मैं काम कर रहा था और मैं रोज एक एक रुपये के अलावा मैं एक और कुछ भी मुझे नहीं मिल रहा so अभी जो bundles of note आई थी तो उस पे चांस मार ही देना चाहिए मुझे he used to think like that so Hari had many chance to steal as he had the key of the room as well so he has a chance to rob now so उसके पास की तो थी so that he can rob it easily but he was surprised with the amount of trust Anil had on him so due to Anil has a lot good good I mean what happened to trust on him. So but he was surprised with the amount of trust. Yeah. He was surprised with the trust Anil used to give him and had him as had never seen such trusting person in his life. So he had never seen this trusting person. मतलब अनिल जैसा trusting person कभी नहीं देखा उन्होंने. This trust thing was preventing him from robbing Anil. Hari thought robbing a careless person like Anil didn't make much difference as the might not even notice that he had been robbed and took all the fun from the work. मतलब careless person को रोक करने में कुछ मजा नहीं आता है used to think like this. Careless person को रोक करने में कुछ नहीं they don't even look at कि मैं कितना रोक हुआ हूँ and all but still they enjoy life uh, enjoy their work मतलब जो careless people हैं then he thought of stealing Anil's money and finally thought कि नहीं मुझे भी करना ही पड़ेगा नहीं I don't have any option Anil's money and justified himself that he had taken steal money from Anil then he also okay we reading again then he thought of stealing Anil's money he thought of stealing Anil's money and justify himself. So he justified उसने खुद को बोला that if he didn't steal money from Anil, then अगर उसने अनिल के पास से money steal नहीं की then also he would waste it. मतलब अगर उसने उसके पास से money steal नहीं किया फिर भी वो money को अपने friends के साथ पार्टी करके वेस्ट ही करने वाला Anil didn't pay him for the work there and और उससे तो और एक चीज़ है कि अनिल मुझे पे भी नहीं करता मैं उसके लिए काम करता हूँ so like that Hari then woke up at night and quickly crawled to Anil's bed. So crawl means ड्रैग करना. क्रॉल मीन्स ड्रैग करना, मतलब हम ड्रैग करते करते खिसकते खिसकते चुपचाप लाइक दैट कॉल क्रॉल करना. So let's underline one more word, crawl. He steal the money. So उसने हरी ने अनिल के मैट्रेस से स्टील तो कर ली मनी and decide to leave the city by Lucknow Express. So he decide to leave the city by Lucknow Express that departed at 10:30. When he reached the station, the train had slowly started moving from the platform. The train had slowly started and he could have easily caught the train. So वो easily train को caught, he could caught the train easily, but he hesitated. मतलब वो हिचकिचाया. क्यों हिचकिचाया? He himself didn't know the reason. उसे भी नहीं पता था कि वो क्यों हिचकिचाया. I'm sorry, Martin Kulkarni. Yeah, I got it. Before he had reached the station, he counted the money and it was so वो स्टेशन पहुंचे उससे पहले he counted the money and it was 60 rupees of 15 sorry 600 rupees of 50 rupee note. मतलब 50 rupee note के 600 rupees थे. देखो मतलब we have like I explained मतलब किसी को प्रॉब्लम होती होगी बट किसी को समझ में आ जाता होगा तो आई नहीं कहती. ओह कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा होगा. Yeah, it's very hard to understand. 50 into how many times that we can uh, 50 into 50 into 50 100 हो गया. ये 150 200 हो गया. ये 300 हो गया. ये 400 हो गया. ये 500 हो गया. Here and ये 600. So कितनी नोट्स होंगी उनके पास? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So इतनी notes he might be having. So he would have bundles. तो bundles इसलिए कहा था उन्होंने. Okay. मतलब कभी कभी किसी को समझ में नहीं आता. मतलब 600 rupees की 50 rupees. तो that's why मैंने आपको समझाया. Otherwise I don't have intention to waste your time. Or if you मतलब you think that it's a wastage of time that I was doing time pass, then you could skip it off. He could live a lavish life. Lavish मतलब एकदम अ, क्या बोलते हैं luxurious life for 2 to 3 weeks. Luxurious तो नहीं मतलब अच्छी खासी लाइफ तो जी सकता है 2 to 3 weeks तक. After the train had left, Hari was all alone. So Hari was all alone. The train, he was left with no place to sleep at night. So there was no place to sleep at night. The person he knew was Anil and he had rooted him as well. तो अभी तो वो कहाँ जाए तो वो सोचा कि मैं तो सिर्फ अनिल को ही जानता हूँ और लेकिन मैंने उसे लिखा है तो मैं कभी कैसे उसके पास जा सकता हूँ. He sat on the bench on the park. So he sat on the bench on a park and as he raining होने लगी. रेन चालू हो गई तो he sat under the clock tower. This question can be asked like shortly. After the rain started, where the Hari Singh sat. So you should remember it was a clock tower. Then he realized that the notes had got wet. The notes got wet. He realized that learning how to read and writing would help him to get much more respectable and honest job, which could pay him much more than a few hundred rupees. So, okay, so this is the most uh, एक मिनट में ना उसे हाईलाइट दूसरे कलर से करती हूँ, so देख ये लाइन को आपने ना दिमाग में रखा हो कौन सा कलर यस ग्रीन then he decided to go back to Anil's house. तो उन्होंने फिर से अनिल के हाउस जाने का फैसला लिया. He reached to room and placed the money back. तो रूम में जाके उन्होंने मनी को फिर से मैट के नीचे रख दिया. Next morning he woke up bit late. तो late uh, he woke up late. So अनिल ने खुद ही टी बना ली थी. Yeah, there's some typing error here, but it's Anil. Anil gave him 50 rupee note to Hari. Anil ने ना 50 rupee note दी हरी को as he had क्यों दी क्योंकि he had got paid for some weekend he would be paid regularly. तो क्योंकि वो फ्री काम कर रहा था तो उसे पैसे तो देने ही थे. So he got paid for some work and he would pay regularly. तो अगर वो काम करेगा उनके लिए तो उनको हरी को रोज पैसे मिलेंगे. हरी took the note on his hand and realized that the note was still right from the rain. Okay, so रात में जब वो ले गया था तो तभी के नोट अभी तक गीले थे. He realized that Hari realized that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness, anger, or guilt on his mind. So अनिल हरि सिंह को लगा कि अनिल हैड नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट हिज misdeed, लेकिन फिर भी वो एंगर भी नहीं है, एंग्री भी नहीं है, सैड भी नहीं है और गिल्ट भी नहीं फील कर रहा है. द नरेटर स्माइल ब्यूटीफुल. So the Hari Singh है वो एकदम beautiful वे में smile की and it was a genuine happiness as he knew that he had saved himself from a wrong road. Okay, so this is something I think this is an important line for this chapter. हाँ जो ये तो मैंने खुद बनाई है कि चैप्टर में से सब सारे पॉइंट्स इन्वॉल्व है ये चैप्टर के. So you can learn from this. अभी हम चैप्टर हाइलाइट्स पे जाते हैं. अभी हाइलाइट नहीं करेंगे, अंडरलाइन करेंगे. A small time 15 years old thief was there. He called himself Hari Singh. वो एक अनिल के साथ फ्रेंड बना. हरी पर्पस टू स्टील उसका पर्पस था टू स्टील हरीज मनी. देन ही इज अ गुड फेलो. Anil was a good fellow, so he teach Hari Singh read, write, make tea. Then Anil developed trust to Hari Singh. तो हरी सिंह का ट्रस्ट हो अनिल को हरी पे ट्रस्ट था. तो हरी सिंह ने राइट मोमेंट पे मेक अ किलिंग ऑफ डूइंग व्हाट ही बेस्ट एट स्टीलिंग, दैट इज स्टीलिंग. So stealing the money which Anil had earned by selling a book to a publisher. Leonard, but some inner voice stopped him from doing so. So he wanted to run away, but some inner voice stopped doing him so. So he returned to Anil because he realized that he wanted to live a life of respect. Okay, so why did Hari Singh return back to Anil? So you need to write Hari returned to Anil because he realized that he wanted to live a life full of respect. Anil did not show that he knew about the thief and escape Hari Openham, and a well-intent person tries to perform a teenager who is straight. This is all about it. मतलब सब चैप्टर का ही है, पढ़ लो ना अभी. या एंड 2 मिनट अभी रख लो, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के एक बार पढ़ लेना. इट्स अ गुड, अच्छा है हाईलाइट. अभी न्यू वर्ड हमने क्या किया है, न्यू वर्ड कौन से पढ़े. अप्रोच कम लिया. हाँ मतलब टॉक करना भी हो सकता है और अप्रोच. कॉन्फिडेंस टेक्स्ट बुक में भी इट इज अप्रोच रिटन. कॉन्फिडेंस बिलीव इट. बिलीव करना, कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाना, खुद में बिलीव करना। फ्लैटरी टेक्स्ट बुक के ही है, यस दिस इज ऑल फ्रॉम टेक्स्ट बुक, नॉट फ्रॉम दिस माय नोट्स। Praise that is not sincere. Then modest is a state of being not very large or expensive. Modesty मतलब मामूली, modesty. Appealing smile मतलब very attractive smile. A character sketch of a nail. This I am going to have this in another session. Till then I am going to end this video. So bye.